Good morning, Erin. The death of a Derry man and his 6-year-old son have been determined to be a murder-suicide, investigators said Tuesday. The bodies of Matthew Edmonds, 39, and his 6-year-old son, Preston Connor Edmonds, were found Monday in their home on Kendall Pond Road. An autopsy determined that the two died of carbon monoxide poisoning. Investigators said it appears that Edmonds sealed the bedroom where the bodies were found from the inside with duct tape and a blanket. 2 charcoal grills containing burnt coal and ashes were found inside the room, according to investigators. Police said that when they forced entry into the locked home after receiving a call for a welfare check, they found a sign hanging from the living room ceiling fan warning police that they would find me and my son in the bedroom. The sign also warned them about high carbon monoxide levels, officials said. Edmund shared custody of Preston with his wife, and the two were separated, investigators said. She lives in Maine, and she told News 9 she was trying to make it back to New Hampshire. The Attorney General's office could not comment on a motive, but they said they continue to look into why this happened. Adjit said investigators might take another look at the 2009 death of Edmund's eldest son, Connor, who drowned at age of 6. After Connor's death, Edmonds tried unsuccessfully to get the state to pass a law regulating fences around swimming pools. Reporting live here in Derry, New Hampshire, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Erin, back over to you.